In this video, we are going to be looking at how a long-standing Bitcoin OG says that XRP is closer to $10 than we think, and I'm going to be keeping it realistic with you guys, and I'll be giving you my opinion as to whether XRP will be able to hit $10 or not. And we are also going to be looking at how high XRP can potentially go in the next bull run stages without the influence of the SEC. And of course, we will be looking at the price of XRP today, which is the 31st of October. So let's have a look at the first article that we have got. So the person named Lucky, who is a prominent crypto figure and self-proclaimed Bitcoin OG, he has expressed optimism about the future of XRP, arguing that its price is closer to $1 or $10. Now already by giving a price prediction, say $1 or $10, is a little bit vague because you're really throwing it out there, and there is a $9 range difference between. And so which one is it and why? So that's kind of our first opinion, but let's have a look at what he has said on X. So he said he's been observing Ripple's operations since the SEC win in July, and he can't help but applaud the team for staying focused in their commitment to the XRP community, which I think the XRP army are very happy about that as well, and how Ripple is fighting the case. And of course it has cost them a lot of money, approximately $200 million. Now he said that in 2 weeks we've seen a 22% bounce from its August dip, and the reasons are not far-fetched. Now these are his reasons why. So we've got the partnership with Uphold, which brings more liquidity to the Ripple ecosystem, and that's just one growth catalyst for XRP's price growth. But we all know that liquidity is very important for Ripple, and Ripple has begun expanding XRP's utilities on the XRP ledger, and they could be dipping their hands into the 1.6 billion pot. And with more developments and projects like the Sum wallet steadily pouring into the XRP ledger and gaining upwards of 600,000 users in just 3 months. If I'm being honest, I'd say that the XRP price isn't as far from $1 or $10 as we think, looking at the current ecosystem developments. And now, so all of these 3 reasons that he have given do make sense, especially with the liquidity being the biggest reason. However, I do think in terms of the price prediction that XRP would be more likely to hit the $1 based on this, because as of now XRP coin is basically just following Bitcoin and the fact that Bitcoin is rallying. Yes, we do have the lawsuit, and because of the recent win that we have had, it has had a positive effect on XRP, but again it hasn't really exploded to the point where we've gone over 60 or 70, even 80 cents. But Ripple's recent victory that we have had, it just shows the significance that it has in the cryptocurrency space. And again, I think it would be more achievable for XRP to actually reach $1 than over $10. Now, people are talking about the fact that this person has 2.2 million followers, and so they are taking his word for it. Now, guys, just because you have a large following, it doesn't mean that you're any more legitimate compared to somebody that doesn't have as much of a following. But I do understand why people may take his word for it, because he has been an OG in the space with Bitcoin. And so I do want to say that the $1 price prediction is much more realistic than the $10. So let's have a look at how high can XRP go in the next bull run without the SEC influence. Now XRP did hit $1.80 back in 2021. So we already know Dark Defender, and he has said on X that XRP's ultimate rally could be at $13 or $18. And this is based on the Elliott wave pattern. If you have seen my videos before, there's basically 5 stages of the Elliott wave pattern, and each has to go through a certain stage before they can reach the next price based on technical analysis. And so based on this technical tool, without the SEC's involvement, XRP's price could be trading at around this range. Now, if we just have a look at XRP and how it's dominating Uphold right now, you'll see here it says a 1.28 billion investment signals bullish outlook. And so if you don't already know, XRP is already beating Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of how much has been bought on the platform Uphold. Now Uphold has partnered with Ripple to introduce Ripple payments services in the US, and it holds 1.28 billion worth of XRP, making up 62.21% of its total crypto assets. Now just to show you how much that actually is, Bitcoin, Ethereum and ADA hold just below 10%, and that is 3 major altcoins compared to XRP, which is trading at roughly around about 56 cents right now, 57 cents, and it's holding 62%. And this just goes to show you the amount of demand that there is for XRP and how it is picking up traction. So if we look at the price action today, you'll see here that XRP is trading at 0.05753. It is up by 3% on the day. You'll see that we have very high volume today. We are up by 94.5%. We are currently trading at 1.6 billion in volume. On the 7-day chart, we are up by nearly 5%. Now guys, this 0.57 level is a huge indicator. I have shown showing you guys that Dark Defender said that the 0.5777 line is a resistance level that we need to break off from, and we have to monitor this because it could potentially break out, and by breakout it means it could test the next resistance level. Now we're getting very close and we're at that pivotal point where we are nearing to that 60-cent level, and that is where I'm trying to see if XRP can close this week. We are only on Tuesday today, so we've still got 5 days left. I want to see it close above 60 cents, but even if it doesn't, XRP is still holding very strong at this level. And again, in terms of price prediction, we are looking at the $1 mark and not $10 yet. Bitcoin is currently trading at $34,378. It is holding very strong. It's doing very well. We're waiting for that 35,000 price target. Fear and Greed Index, we are still at 72 points. And again, guys, during these times, XRP is just going to have more of a demand because of the price that it's currently at. It's very cheap and it does look attractive to investors. Guys, subscribe to the channel for daily XRP coin news and like the video as well.